tyre recycling and rubber manufacturing opportunity. Rutherford, New South Wales. Asset sale only. This is a rare opportunity to acquire a complete tyre recycling and rubber manufacturing setup at a fraction of replacement cost. The equipment was never placed into full production, as it was not compatible with the owner's other business. It is ideal for manufacturing rubber granules for playground soft fall-based material, or recycled rubber for road and asphalt applications. The business is also perfect for operators seeking to enter or expand within the recycling and sustainability sector. The buyer can step straight into this near-new, fully assembled asset package without the usual setup delays or sourcing challenges. The seller can supply raw material at a small negative cost, providing a significant advantage and improving margins from day one. This is a genuine opportunity for fast-track entry into a growing industry without the usual capital outlay or setup risk.